Our next awardee has had simply stunning success in helping immigrants build wealth, creating a member-owned community credit union to provide banking services to tens of thousands of previously unbanked individuals. Their award-winning bilingual financial education program has helped thousands of immigrant families understand how to make the most of their money and establish credit, avoid predatory lending practices, and realize their American dream, including, in many cases, owning a home with a mortgage that they can afford. And on top of it all, the profits from these wealth-building services go back to members and into their community. What a remarkable model, and what a delight for us to be able to raise up this extraordinary organization and the visionary and dedicated leaders who have helped it grow by leaps and bounds in just 10 years' time. It's our great pleasure to award the Pluribus Unum Prize to the Latino Community Credit Union and acknowledge the outstanding work of its Executive Director, Luis Pastor, and its Board of Directors, represented tonight by Colón-Emeric Colón. Congratulations.
And I hope this earns a high rate of interest.
Well, good evening, and thank you to the National Center on Immigrant Integration Policy and the Kaplan Fund for this great opportunity. On behalf of the 54,000 members of the Latino Community Credit Union, we're just deeply humbled by this honor. I recall in the late 90s, the year actually summer 1997, attending many vigils for usually men who were murdered in Durham, North Carolina, because they were immigrants who carried their money in their pockets. They did not have access to financial institutions, things that we take for granted, like checking accounts, saving accounts. So they were easy prey for those looking for easy money, or as someone once called them, basically walking ATMs. And things have changed since that summer of 1997 and those years, with the formation of the Latino Community Credit Union, which began as a grassroots movement of people from the community, churches, nonprofits, who were looking for solutions, creative solutions to this problem of immigrant crime, and crime not committed by immigrants, but against immigrants. The creation of the credit union, or La Cooperativa, as we call it, has changed the climate dramatically. More branches have meant fewer vigils, and for that, I am deeply, deeply grateful. The creation of the credit union, La Cooperativa, now Latinos have a safe place to keep our money. And we found in La Cooperativa an institution that truly cares for our well-being, a place where people can pronounce our names rightly, and also who share our dreams. It is indeed a tribute to the diligence of our members and the vision of our community that what 10 years ago began as a grassroots experiment to curb violence is now a model for providing financial services to immigrant communities. We're often asked, what is the secret of your success? And I would say three things. First, that it started as grassroots. Second, that we found such strong community partners, Anglos community, the Afro-American community, and the Latino community coming together. And third, our superb staff that is second to none, I would say, not just in the state, but nationally. It is really this coming together of partners around this issue that has allowed us to achieve this tremendous amount of success, and for which we are grateful that you are recognizing us today. At La Cooperativa, we are committed to increasing financial independence of low-income and Latino individuals. We believe in the dignity of all people, in the right of hard-working families who have never before used a financial institution to have access to those services that we take for granted. We believe that financial education is critical to address the needs of unbanked and underbanked individuals by helping increase member understanding of financial services in the United States. We also believe that by empowering immigrants and future generations to feel secure, knowledgeable, and proud to be able to manage their finances in this new country, we're also contributing to the prosperity and flourishing of the larger community. For me personally, the most important contribution of the Latino Community Credit Union, or La Cooperativa, is precisely fostering a climate of possibility, that dreams can come true even in a climate of fear and deep challenges. Thank you so much for this great honor, and thank you for supporting this important work that is happening in North Carolina for our members and for our families.